Mecha, mecha, tomato, tomato.
You guys ever think about dying? No? Just me?
Nice, a full lobby.
Finally, let's get this game started already.
As your noble leader, I humbly volunteer to hunt you all down mercilessly with a shotgun.
君は盲目のバカだ、船長。楽勝になるさ。
Thanks, friendo. I believe in me too. Wait, I'm pretty sure I heard Baka in there!
Gotta hide! Gotta hide!
Alright, listen up, chameleons. This is my boomstick, and ah!
シートしてるな。俺の隠れ場所は完璧だったはずだ。
Whoa, slow your roll, Speedy Gonzalez. I can tell you're angry, but it's not my fault. I tripped on this oddly misshapen pumpkin.
Huh?
My name is the Pumpkin. Ouchie!
2 down, 9 to go. Not such a baka now, eh, ninja? Mecha, 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 mecha chameleon.
めっちゃだよ、青か。
That was too close, Oh, what was that?
Forced whistle. Just act natural.
You know sheep don't have udders, right, veteran?
I do now.
I could have sworn I heard a whistle coming from over here, but all I see before me are 2 lovable barnyard beasts. You wouldn't happen to be a slimy, no-good chameleon, would you, future Nuggy? Egad! It was a distraction! You can't run from me, El Camilo! One of these gnomes is not like the other. One of these gnomes just doesn't belong.
I'm cooked, aren't I?
Yep.
Oh man! Angie told me that wouldn't work.
Hey, does that mean you know where he is?
You want me to betray my beloved engineer? Yeah, okay.
Hey, no, wait! Okay, I feel like you did that a little too quickly.
It's chameleon season, boys. Let me at him.
You heard the gremlin. Everyone scatter!
I hate vegetables. Take that!
No way! Party's over.
But it's my birthday!
If I can't see them, they can't see me.
バカだな。
I'm sorry, the gentleman. Don't be. I'm glad it's you, Mr. Cheese.
Hey, come on, guys. I got it right this time. Player!
Veteran! No, not again!
見つけたぞ。
There's only 10 seconds left! I can do this! There! An exit! Freedom! Huh? No way! It's paint?
Always has been. Wait! Chameleons win? But how? Now that's a man who knows how to hide. You could learn a thing or two from him, player.
Oh yeah? Well, how about a rematch?
You're on like Donkey Kong, baby. And I'm Mario. Dumb speech.
Aw, thanks, Captain.
And just to make this analogy complete, to the sewers!
Would you like more tea, the gentleman?
Why, certainly. Thank you, Mr.
No! People in this game are so weird.
Whoa, the pattern is so complicated. I could lose myself in this shirt for hours.
I'm really doing you a favor here. Ha! That's 3 down already. I can't wait to see the look on Captain's dumb face when I finally win. Speaking of... Really? That's the best you could do after all that big talk? I almost feel sorry for you.
The Captain disguise!
Wait, dumb?
Yep, I was just a decoy. Captain's idea. Good luck, bro.
Huh, maybe Captain's smarter than I thought. Nah. Okay, I still have a couple more minutes. I can do this! Aha! I found you?
Kawabanga?
I get it. Yes! Ninja's one of the best chameleons in the game. I'm gonna win! He'll throw me a party and everything.
Happy birthday!
Huh? That was quick. And it's not my birthday.
Guys, what are you doing? Player's still hunting us!
Well, I felt so bad about Gabe ending you on your birthday earlier, I had to make it up to you.
So we got you a cake.
We did?
Gee, thanks, guys.
Wait, candles and gas don't mix!
Don't worry, they're inflammable. See?
Whoa! What the heck was that? Yes! Only 3 chameleons left!
I heard talk of cake. Oh, nuts.
Make that 2. Okay, Captain. I'm coming for you. Where is he? Where is he? Is that him? How about that over there? No, this can't be happening! Where are you? Ah! I did it! I beat you!
Well, it's more of a tie.
Huh?
This man is always poop!
I don't get it, though.
Arrows Blanco asks, Captain, who do you play the most video games with? Why, my bestie player, of course. We may have talked a little smack this episode, but deep down, we're closer than ever. I guess you could say we've got a sort of heated rivalry. If you want a chance to have a question answered in an upcoming video, make sure to become a channel member today.